Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate shake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of cold milk, 2 to 3 cups of your favorite chocolate ice cream, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of rich chocolate syrup. Don't forget your blender. Choosing high-quality chocolate ice cream makes a big difference in the final taste, ensuring a truly satisfying treat for everyone. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get blending. Carefully pour about 1.5 cups of cold milk into your blender. Next, add 2 to 3 generous scoops, or about 2 to 3 cups, of your chosen chocolate ice cream. For that extra chocolatey kick, drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Secure the lid and blend on high for approximately 30 seconds until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Want to take your chocolate shake to the next level? A tiny pinch of salt can surprisingly enhance the chocolate flavor, making it even richer. For a deeper, more complex taste, try adding about a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And don't forget the fun part: toppings. Whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or a bright red cherry are classic choices. You could even blend in a banana for a delightful fruity twist. Your incredible homemade chocolate shake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For the best experience, serve it immediately while it's perfectly cold and refreshing. Add a fun straw and perhaps a long spoon if you've piled on those delicious toppings. This delightful treat is perfect for sharing with friends or family, or simply savoring all by yourself. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.